Hello friends, I hope you are fine. Today I have banner backgrounds or wedding background. These files are 2786 in 2.65 GB, but don't worry, I will compress it for you. First I show you the design of this file. You can change in color, you can adjust your own project or your own work. All the files are professionals, and this file is protected and password in this video, so kindly please watch full. Okay, you see here the many colors of wow. You can change it. First I drag on Photoshop and image adjustment, brightness, contrast. Okay, and press Ctrl U for change color. Wow, lightness. Okay, and second you can apply gradients overlay. Double click here and unlock here, click FX, press gradients overlay, and opacity is 20 or 10. You can see. Okay, I close this file and open next file. Wow, here is just simple icon or simple design. Oh, okay, press U for change color. Okay, I'm right here, my channel name. This file resolution is cancel 7200 by 2400. Okay, write my channel name Sheri Sk, and my website is www.sherisk.com. Okay, I hope this data is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.